Alright, here we are with the fourth or fifth part of this unboxing. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, cool. Alright, this looks really good, guys. I guess you can put the pie in there, and I'm hoping there may be a fan or some sort. There must be a fan of some sort in there, which hopefully is good, and it has extra instructions on how to put that together that I don't need because this is going to be for Steve to mess around with, so I will trade him a pie. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Looks like the cooling fan is in here actually, and yeah, there's another thing telling you to be careful and which pins to stick this onto. So I'll leave that up to Steve to do because I'll switch. I just got myself
Likey.